How to log in to ETRADE Bank online banking account. So if you want to log in to ETRADE Bank online banking account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. Now on the search bar you have to search for ETRADE Bank, and after searching you have to click on the first search. Now it will take you to the web page or the website. So now to log into your ETRADE Bank online banking account, you can go to login, which is on the upper right corner, and click on that. And now to log in, first you have to enter your user ID and then you have to enter your password on the next blank. If you forgot your user ID or if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot user ID or password. Like if you forgot your user ID, you have to click on user ID, and then if you forgot your password, you have to click on password so that you can reset or recover it. You want to save your user ID for the next time you log in, you have to click here which says remember user ID. But if you don't want to save it, then you have to unclick it. So if you remember your user ID and then your password, you have to simply enter your user ID and then your password, and you have to click on log on. So that's it. That's the way to log into your ETRADE Bank online banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.